In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Shippo labels on 4x6. If you're using a thermal label printer like a Rollo, Zebra, or Dymo, this setup will give you crisp, correctly sized labels without wasting time or paper. First, we'll make sure Shippo is set to generate labels in the right size. Log into Shippo in your web browser and go to the Settings icon. Open Labels and Packing Slips, then look for Print Preferences. Set the label format to 4x6-inch PDF and save your changes. This tells Shippo to create new labels perfectly sized for 4x6 rolls. Keep in mind, Shippo won't resize any labels you already created. If you made some before changing this setting, you'll need to recreate those for the new format. If you're using a thermal printer with standard 4x6 rolls, selecting 4x6 PDF is the most reliable choice and works with most setups. Next, create or buy your labels the way you normally do in Shippo. Once you complete the purchase flow, Shippo will generate your label as a 4x6 PDF automatically. That way, you're not fighting with scaling later on. Now let's print. If you're using a thermal printer, open the 4x6 PDF label Shippo generated. Click Print from your PDF viewer. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a great option because it tends to handle 4x6 printing more consistently than web browsers, which can default to letter-sized scaling. In the Printer dialog, select your thermal printer, set the paper size to 4x6 inches, and make sure Fit to Page or any scaling option is turned off so it prints at actual size. Check the orientation if needed. Most labels print best in portrait on 4x6. Then print the label. If the edges look clipped or the barcode seems soft, verify the paper size again and confirm that no auto-resize options are enabled. A quick test print can save time before a big batch. If you're using a regular desktop printer, you can still work with the 4x6 PDF. Ideally, use 4x6 adhesive label sheets and select the matching paper size in the print dialog. If you only have standard letter paper, print the PDF at actual size, then trim along the edges and place the label onto your package. Just make sure the barcode remains flat and unwrinkled so it scans easily. That's all you need to consistently print Shippo labels in 4x6. Set the format once, create your labels, and print with the right paper size and no scaling for clean, scannable results.